Using a box cutter or a utility knife, cut the outside, bottom, and edge of the box along the dotted line. Lift the box over the unit and unpack the bike. Remove the zip ties from the packing tube by using a razor or a knife. Slide in the rear stabilizer to the main frame. Insert 2 hex head bolts and 2 curved washers to ensure that it is in place at the side of the rear stabilizer. Remove the zip ties from the packing tube by using a razor or a knife. Slide in the front stabilizer to the main frame. Insert 2 hex head bolts and 2 curved washers to ensure that it is in place at the side of the front stabilizer. Run the computer cable inside the handlebar, then pull it out to the open side. Secure the handlebar by using 4 socket head cap bolts and secure it by using an Allen wrench. Tie the end of the computer cable and pass it through and pull at the end of the screen holder. Secure the screen holder by using 2 socket head cap bolts and secure it by using an Allen wrench. Secure the console on the mounting plate and hiding the cables inside the console mast. Screw in 4 Phillips head screws to the back of the console by using the included screwdriver. Plug all of the connectors into the back of the console. Install the console cover by using 2 Phillips head screws. Install the tablet holder to the back of the console by using 3 sheet metal screws. Remove the quick release lever by rotating it counterclockwise. Install the dumbbell holder on the sliding seat mount by putting back the quick release lever. Rotate clockwise to tighten the quick release lever onto the sliding seat mount. Install the flywheel cover in the front of the main frame. Secure it by using 2 Phillips head screws. Install the bottle holder to the console mast with 2 Phillips head screws and tighten it using the provided screwdriver. Install the pedals onto the crank arms by using the included wrench. Do the same for the other side. You're good to go. Conduct a thorough visual inspection of the indoor cycling bike and assess all its features and functions before using it. Make sure to read all warnings and instructions in the SB1200 Indoor Cycling Bike Owner's Manual. Before beginning to assemble the SB1200 Indoor Cycling Bike, follow all instructions as given. Sole Fitness is not responsible for damage, injury, or equipment failure caused by improper assembly or use. If the installation process appears too challenging, please call Sole at 866-780-7653 and request a technician to install the product in your home. The technician installation service is not included in the price of the product.